I recently posted a YouTube shorts on how I used a clothing rack as an overhead camera rig or a top-down setup for my videos. You can find the link above or in the description below. In today's video, I'll be reviewing this garment rack and sharing my pros and cons of this setup and my recommendations. Let me know if this idea makes sense to you by liking the video. The rack comes in a box, so assembly is required. Everything you need is included in the box, including a hex key. The garment rack comes with the top and bottom uprights bars. It has top extenders. It has also two casters with brakes and the other two without. It also has T connectors with lock that connects both extenders to the hanger bar, which is the middle bar. The height of the rack is from 48 inches to 64 inches. And the maximum weight of the top extender bar is 2.2 pounds. And for the hanger bar or the middle bar, the maximum weight is 17.6 pounds. Now let's talk about the quality of the frame. The frame is made of steel. However, the rest is plastic, like the casters, T connectors, the base, and the end caps. Maybe that's why the maximum weight is 17 pounds. The base is plastic. Okay, in terms of the performance of the rack as an overhead camera rig, the rack held each piece of equipment with no issues. Now let's talk about the pros and the cons of this setup. Let's start with the pros. The rack as it is versatile. You can use it as a top-down setup for overhead shots and also as a clothing rack. It is also affordable. The price at the time of this video was $4.50. And even at the regular price of $9 was still a good deal. It is adjustable. It has 5 different height settings to meet your specific needs. The highest is 64 inches and the lowest is 48. As far as the width, it goes from 32 inches to 47 inches. It is also lightweight and portable. It makes it easy to move around from one place to another without much effort. The brakes on the caster helps keep the rack in place. It is also a space saver. Because of its size, it can be disassembled in no time and put away when not in use. This is very useful if you're tight for space. Now let's talk about the cons of this setup. Because it's lightweight, while I love the lightweight as a pro, it could also be a con because it could shake easily with the slightest bump when close to objects or people. Also, the higher the setting, the more it will wobble. Another con is its weight limitation. The middle bar has a maximum weight of 17 pounds because the base is plastic. So choose carefully which gear to attach to the rack. Your gear might slide if not placed correctly, so please make sure that the clamps are tight and your gear is secured. Please do not over-tight the clamp as it may damage the bars. All in all, I think this garment rack is a great alternative to more expensive overhead stands on the market. This rig can get you out of a jam in a jiffy. I also believe that the pros outweighs the cons, so if you decide to go with this setup, please use caution and always secure your gear or equipment. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and be well.